Yo, what's going on, everybody? This is DJ Icon, and this is Tiger Woods PGA Tour 13. I'm currently the #1 player in the world, and at this moment, I'm actually playing FAUNE 2013. He is the #3 player in the world, and we're playing a short 3-hole mini, just to see who gets bragging rights. So sit back, relax, and let's enjoy it.
6-iron ought to do the job from here.
He had the right distance.
That's a great effort.
Alright, so it looks like after one I birdied. I would imagine he birdied too. We'll see what the scorecard says. So after one, me and FAUNE are tied. Look like we got a random in here too with us, but hey, he holding on. We go into the second hole. Looks like it's a par 3. And we stuck it. How about that? And if anytime anybody ever want to play me, man, you know, if you think I'm ducking you or whatever it is, man, make sure you hit me up. It's DJAYICON on Xbox. Or you can just send me a message, whatever you got to do to play. I turn down no fades. So if anybody in the world wants to play me, man, come and see me, man. Again, right now I'm playing FAUNE 2013. Really good dude, really good player. He's from France. You know, making sure golf is doing their thing out there. And after 2 holes, we're tied. We'll go into the 3rd hole, which is a par 4. And if y'all don't know about the 3-hole mini games, man, yeah, definitely play the 3-hole mini games. They basically test you in every form and fashion, because you never know what the next hole is going to be like. Got a little bit of wind, but shouldn't be a problem.
.60-degree sand wedge shot from here.
Perfect.
And I hold that jump.
In the hole. What
Nigga,
shot?
that's exactly why I'm #1 right there, world. So if anybody want to play me, come and see it, man. It's good. DJ Icon, #1 in the world. We watching FAUNE right now. We finna see what he do. Last hole. FAUNE trying to hold it to win. He stuck it, but couldn't get the eagle. And it looks like he's going to have to just settle for a birdie. And that is the game. And again, still on top. Still the man. Black. You know what I mean? Hey, shout out to everybody black out there that's playing Tiger Woods, man. Yeah, we in here, man. We in here. We doing it, y'all. You know what I mean? Not only is Tiger Woods back winning, but it's good to see a lot of different races and cultures, you know, playing out here on this Tiger Woods PGA Tour 13, man. If you don't have the game, hopefully that makes you want to go grab it. And I'll take you to the leaderboards real quick just to let y'all know, you know, hey, I ain't jiving, man. I'm out here doing it. #1 right there by a landslide. 300 wins. Holla at me, man. It's good. This has been DJ Icon. You can always check me out at DJAYICON.com. Follow me on Twitter at DJAYICON. And I'm out. Peace.